Konnichiwa, ogenki desu ka? Are you doing okay? Wagwan. I say, people always say don't drink your porridge while it is hot, but I am drinking mine right now. Right now. I'm eating my patty while it is hot because it just come. I'm gonna insert a clip of how we behave when we just pull the box. I got my stuff, you know, from time to time we have to order our Jamaican stuff so we can feel at home, because this is a place that, you know what I mean, you have to take care of your mental health. So a part of being comfortable in a strange, in a different world, is getting things that you love and you know, and you're part of your, you know, your own food. So there's this girl on Instagram that sells these things, Lattice Kitchen. You can check her out. She's always been the one that I buy my stuff from because her stuff are reasonable. Yeah, it's not altogether perfect. Like this is not the tasty and mother's patty. Jamaicans, you know what I'm talking about, but it can keep, right? Anyways, I said I'm gonna just do this video because let me just drink something and calm down. Drink some water. You know what happened to me a while ago? She sent me a message that she sent off the stuff, but I did not know that they were going to come like tonight. Of course it's food, so she would have, you know, probably tell them to prioritize or tell them to do express, because if they stay for long they'll spoil, because I got like mutton and stuff. As I say, I'm gonna insert a clipping of the stuff that I bought. I heard the doorbell and it was different from what I'm used to. Japanese tend to be like very calm, and you know, Asians bow bow and stuff. So when they're ringing the doorbell, they do it softly as well, but this one wasn't soft. So I jumped off the bed. Yeah, I was on the bed. I jumped off the bed and I was like, oh, what is that? I'm not expecting any visitors. And I was like, oh yeah, the girl said that she was gonna send the stuff. Why am I always take out something on my eye on videos? So I went to the door and peep, because there are some persons that come to your door that you don't want to come to your door. So you know you have to check, right? People who live in Japan, you know what I'm talking about, like the N people, them, and some Buddhist people or whatever. So I went to the door and I said, "Chotomate kudasai," because I needed to put on my clothes. Chotomate kudasai means please wait a moment. It's time after summer, you know. So yeah, TMI, maybe TMI, but whatever. I put on my clothes and went back out there. As I opened the door, the man said, something to say 2000 something. So I was shocked, because usually when delivery comes to the door, they confirm if this is yours. Them check Namaiwa, is this your name, is this your address? So I was like, excuse me sir, hold on, let me check. So I tip over and I look at the box and I'm like, okay, so that's my name. Okay. After doing that, the man just said, excuse me, like him, I said, can I put down the box? Which anyway, when I opened the box, I did not know that the rice was 20 pounds of rice. So I have rice until I'm ready to retire or resign or leave Japan. Let me break the patty, I'm gonna see. Wait, say at daddy patty. Why? I'm gonna buy cheese and put in there and them stuff there. Yes man, spicy same way. Man say excuse. So I'm like, oh. First of all, when I opened the door, I said, "Sumimasen," because in Japan you say sorry for everything. It's just the culture. You are wrong, you say sorry. You're not wrong, you say sorry. Probably he waited for 2 seconds. By the way, he was turning away by the time I got to the door, like he was ready to leave. I'm like, sir, it didn't take long for me just drawing my shots or whatever. See patty on my lip, my mouth. The man put down the box. I proceeded to give him the money because I ran out there with my purse as well, because I figured it was the delivery, because you know nobody is not coming to me. So I ran out there with my purse, so I don't have to come back in or whatever. I gave him the money. He gave me my change. You know what the man did? The man threw the receipt on top of the box.
Oh no ma'am. Oh no ma'am. No ma'am.
He rested the box on the in the house, you know. The man threw the receipt on top of the box. No. I want to tell you why you need to learn, at least learn basic language whenever you go anywhere. If you're going to Mexico, wherever, learn Spanish. Learn, hey. People with this year, you tell them thanks, no?
People will disrespect you and you tell them thanks.
The man had a smirk on his face and said, "May I show? I did not know what that meant. What is that?" I was like, "Arigato gozaimasu," because that's what we do. People come, people do things, and you say thanks. Arigato gozaimasu means thanks. I said, "Arigato gozaimasu." You know, when we translate message show, what it said? Bill. The man said, "There's a bill." No, at that point, if I knew that's what he said, and that's what he actually, that gesture, I would just say, "Hold on, chotomate," and fix. Say, what is rude in Japanese? Come, Siri, talk to me. No, seriously. Just come like somebody could have tell about your mother and you tell them thanks. What are something? I always say, you know, God is keeping us in this country because the amount of high we say, hi. No, hi means, okay, I confirm, yes. Sometimes them speak fluent Japanese. I don't understand a word in English, a word in Japanese. I'm there on hi. Probably recognize one or two words, you know, but the context and the whole essence of what they're saying, I'm not sure. The pan, I could nothing to kill me. Hey, if hi could have killed a sign of our life, no, for we sign of our life, I don't know, you know, with the hi. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my party. Not make nobody break my spirit. So it's just to show that you have the good and the bad everywhere you go, and you have all sorts of people. So you have to just always say this: manage your expectation. Big up on yourself, live good, bless up, Irie. Oh, give the video a little thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you like them stuff here. Talk to you later. So the things them come under Monday we deliver a while ago outside. You know, long I don't eat a Vienna sausage. Mighty God. Boy, you know, like when barrel come, my mother used to send barrel, you know. I'm an auntie. I'm going to tell her, all if we there I work, and we hear the barrel reach. I tell her sister them, look here, do not pull the barrel till we come home. Beef, yeah. Get the breadfruit already roasted. Okay, so just need to fry. Bail me, baby. My mutton there. To season it up, put it in the freezer, take it out of the bag. My birthday is coming up. Oh my gosh, need to go to the bag and leave. And jasmine rice. This is going to last me for a year. No more rice in Japan. And I got back my jerk seasoning because the sauce. Because I ended up giving Bob. You guys remember Bob? We had video. Bob loved Jamaica sausage. Okay, I'm gonna get the plantain. I'm gonna get the green plantain. Good thing still cause the bill high already. I eat one of them patty here tonight. I really feel like to eat one of the sausage, but now I eat one of the patty them tonight. I'm gonna see. I think I have a video with one of them already. I don't remember, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Beef turnover. So it's not real, you know, Jamaica style. Made in the USA, but can go on, you see me?